Which particular attributes of Python language make it popular and widely used? So, a big shout out to XKCD. If you don't know XKCD, you should definitely go to XKCD right now and check it out. It's pretty interesting comic site run by Randall Munro, and I believe he has also written a book called What If, which is pretty interesting. But it can be summarized by just looking at this particular diagram or the comic strip, right? And I believe why Python is powerful and it is here to stay is because of following 5 reasons. The first and the most important one is it is the closest thing you can get to pseudocode. So imagine there being zero translation cost between you thinking of a certain functionality in terms of pseudocode and being able to implement it. Python allows you to directly implement your code if you think about it in terms of pseudocode. Okay. The next thing is its simplicity. Nothing can beat Python simplicity in terms of getting started and using it. Definitely, it's one of the most simpler languages to learn. Over the years, definitely, yes, doing the production setup with Python has become difficult, but in the beginning, in the crux, it's relatively really simpler. The third thing I believe that is responsible for making Python popular is its ecosystem of libraries and modules. You can literally go to PyPI and find any module that you want or anything that you can think of. There is a probability that someone has already written a library for it. The fourth thing I believe is it strikes the right balance between simplicity and productivity. What I mean by that is going from development to production, yes, there is some cost involved in it, but relatively it is hassle free compared to other languages. And you know, Python has this reputation of being the last mover in the language arena, so to speak. Ruby on Rails, I believe, is on the bleeding edge, and so are a bunch of other languages. But generally, Python community has been taking wait and watch kind of an approach, which I believe is good from maintainability and stability point of perspective. So these are some of the attributes on why I believe Python is popular, and these are some of the reasons why it's popular.